Dani Lual augite riu ni amenyeranite na athaki a Mathare United kimera giake kuma mbiriria guthakira kirabu Giki. Muthaki wa karaiga gatagati kimera giki arenda kuhutia neti maita maingi uria kwahoteka na gutongoria hari ugwimi wa mbao.
I've settled in since it's my second season. I think it will not be like before. So now I'm settled and I'm sure I've learned the system and how people are playing. Even the club system of play, I've learned everything.
Raia uyu wa ukuru wa miaka 18 kuma bururi wa South Sudan ni atogiritie athaki aru nake akiuga kimera giki no mahote kuoya gikombe.
This season we have quality players and I can see even in training it shows that we are capable of winning a trophy this season. So we are really good and we're having a good team. New signings and they are good. So I'm sure we'll see.
Mathare marambiriirie kimera kiao muthia wa kiumia na kuria maguthirwo na mbao nyoko mbao igere na kirabu gia Sofapaka riu manyitiriire ngucanio 5 matathakite.
The first one is our advantage. It's an advantage because we are going to have we are going to play knowing that we have games at hand. So we are willing to play and we have a lot of players. So it is also a disadvantage because the matches are too congested and with the players we have, I think it will be a problem for us, but we'll handle.
Rigi-ini igacokereria muthenya wa rucio kuria keri magathakana na Posta Rangers na Ulinzi Stars macemanie na Bidco United. KCB thutha wa ngucanio 6 nio matongoretie gacombere-ini na pointi 18 guku marumirirwo ni Kariobangi Sharks na imwana cia Tusker. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo kuria wa Gishimo.